Good morning friends. This is my first class on YouTube channel, and first of all I would like to introduce myself. My name is Amit Kumar Srivastav. I am the teacher of English. I have been teaching English for 1.5 years, and today I am going to discuss a very important topic uh, on subject verb agreement. It's a very important chapter in grammar section, and it is a very easy chapter as well. Friends, first of all I would like to tell you about the subject. What is subject? Subject is a noun or pronoun about which the sentence says something. Subject is what we talk about. Subject is, suppose that just I am telling you a sentence, Ram is going to market. In this sentence, it's a very easy sentence, so we all know that what is subject in the sentence. Ram is the subject in the sentence because Ram is doing the process of going, that's why it is subject. Ram is a subject in this sentence. But sometimes we face problems to identify the subject because the sentence is long. When we start reading English newspaper, when we start reading novels, when we start reading magazines, when we start reading literature books, at that time I find that it's sometimes I find very long sentences, and in that sentence I am unable to find or I am unable to identify the subject in the sentence. If I am unable to identify the subject in the sentence, we cannot put verb correctly. And we must know one thing, subject is not put according to the verb. Verb is put according to the subject. Just now I am going to tell you the examples of subject verb agreement. And friends, before giving examples I would like to tell you something about subject verb agreement. We find more than 50 rules in the book, but friends, do you think that we can keep in our mind more than 50 rules? And it may be that you can keep in mind in your mind more than 50 rules for a week, but after a week or after some days we start forgetting all the rules, and again we get confused. So friends, today I am going to tell you the concept of subject verb agreement. If you understand this concept properly, I think that your problem will sort out for always. So friends, now I am going to write a sentence, and I will tell you how to identify the subject in the sentence, because the main problem is that you are unable to identify the subject in the sentence. You cannot put the verb according to subject. So first you need to learn how to identify the subject in the sentence. So friends, now I am going to write a sentence. You have to tell me what is the subject in the sentence. Okay, so friends, see here, sentence is one of my students are going to the city by bus on Sunday. In this sentence you have to identify the subject, and I think that the most of the student will identify very easily which word is working as a subject in the sentence. But today I have to tell you the main concept by which you can solve 80% question of subject verb agreement. Before solving this question, I am going to tell you the concept of subject verb agreement. Friends, you must know one thing. I am telling you, it is a main concept of subject verb agreement. If you understand this concept, I think that your problem will sort out for always. Now you have to understand very properly. See here, I have written preposition plus noun or pronoun. You will see that after preposition any noun or pronoun will come, and that noun or pronoun will be the object of that preposition. And you must know one thing, that object cannot be subject. You have to keep in your mind for always, object cannot be subject. Object cannot be subject, and object are used in two places, after main verb and after preposition. See here, I have written here object. Object are used in two places. after preposition and after main verb. If any noun or pronoun comes after preposition, that noun or pronoun are the object of that preposition and object cannot be subject. In the same way, after main verb, if any noun or pronoun comes and that noun or pronoun are object of that verb and object cannot be subject. So you have to keep in your mind for always, object cannot be subject. If you understand this concept properly, I think that you can solve most of the questions of subject verb agreement very easily and up to the high level. So friends, now I am going to discuss this question. So see here, here is a preposition, here is a preposition of, and friends, just I have told you that after preposition any noun or pronoun will come, and see here, a pronoun has come, students, and students, it means this word is the object of this preposition, and I have told you that object cannot be subject. So it cannot be subject in the sentence. So now here it is one. So friends, I have already discussed about this thing about singular or plural. So here is written one. One means you are talking about only one. It means it's a singular. So if your subject is singular, you have to put singular verb. So here I have written are. So we have to write is in place of are. Why friends? Because I have already told you that after preposition any noun or pronoun will come and that noun or pronoun will be the object of that preposition, and object can never be subject. In the same way object comes after a main verb. Friends, now see here, I have written a second sentence. The sentence is to attend the meeting with senior and experienced members are illuminating. Friends, why I have written such kinds of sentences? Because when you start reading any books or magazines or newspapers, you will not get a very easy simple sentences. Ram is eating a mango, he is going to market, Sita is dancing. You will not get such kind of sentences in newspapers, in magazines, or in your literature books or in your language books. Okay, so you will get such kind of sentences and you will face difficulty to identify the subject in the sentence. That's why I have written a long sentences, because I can clear your concept. Friends, once again, before solving this question, once again I am telling you, you have to remember only one concept in your mind. If you keep in your mind, I think that most of the questions of the subject verb agreement you will solve very easily and up to the high level. I am not talking about only 8, 9 and 10 classes, 11 classes, 12 classes. Even you are in graduation, you can solve all the questions of the subject verb agreement very easily. Friends, I have told you that object cannot be subject. This concept you have to keep in your mind for always. If you remember this concept, object cannot be subject in the sentence, I think your problem will sort out. And you have to know this thing, object can be used in two places, after preposition and after main verb. So friends, now see here, I have written a sentence here. The sentence is to attend the meeting with senior and experienced members are illuminating. So friends, first of all, you have to see that here is a preposition with, and I have told you that after preposition any noun or pronoun will come. Certainly it will come. Okay, so friends, see here, senior and experienced member. Members is a noun here. Members is a noun here, and you have read before noun you can put adjective. So experienced and senior is adjective here, and I have discussed in conjunction chapter, coordinating conjunction aid same rank structures. So and here end is coordinating conjunction. So it has added two same rank structure here. Senior is adjective and experience is also adjective. Here is a preposition with, and after preposition I have told you any noun will come. So a noun has come, members. So this noun is the object of this preposition. So this noun cannot be subject because it's a object here, because I have already told you that after preposition or after main verb, if any noun or pronoun will come, that noun or pronoun will be the object of that preposition and that main verb, and object cannot be subject in the sentence. So this members cannot be subject in the sentence. So now see here, so from here to here it cannot be subject in the sentence. So in this sentence, to attend is working as subject, to attend is working as subject, and to attend is singular, that's why you have to put a singular verb. So to, now you have to put here is in place of are. Why? Because your subject is singular, that's why you have to put singular verb. I hope friends today whatever I have discussed with you, you will understand very easily. And friends, once again I am telling you that whatever I have convinced you, you watch the video again and again if you don't understand the concept, because whatever I have told you now, it's a very important. Once you understand this concept, you will solve very easily. So thank you for today and keep watching the video. Okay, bye friends, meet you next class. Thank you for today.